What is the He-Man thing? Can she hold them?
No, I'm not holding it.
Look, it says does not hurt to look.
Does not hurt to look.
I'm wondering what does hurt then. You've never been to the flea market?
Oh, kind of. Like,
Let's go.
we don't really call them a flea market.
But I mean, stateside you haven't been.
No, not over here.
Paul didn't take you to Webster's? Webster's
No,
is like
we're
a
just
huge...
a yard sales.
So yeah, all it is like individual little yard sales. That people set up different stuff.
No. What are you looking for? What's it?
Yes, sir. I'm Death Pile Picker. That's back from Burnout.
Hello, how are you? I'm from Australia. Yeah, I'm staying with Commonwealth Picker. Huh? I'm staying with Commonwealth Picker. Are you really? Yeah.
I wasn't gonna tell you. He's honest, Tim.
Is this not a real gun or anything?
Yeah, it is. No.
What?
No.
No? Like,
Y'all buy stuff.
yeah.
Let me give you my card and write my address. Call me. I got a whole bunch of. I got a bond for this stuff.
Would Commonwealth Picker like this?
No. No. Titleist only with him. Golly. Tim, where the game's at? Oh, you found one game.
Game on in there.
Or only one game.
Game is on. Any games in there?
No.
Ain't that good?
Kidding you. You knew that. What honest Tim want to give me? Sell me a bunch of empty cases for? That's got a game. That's it.
Oh, good thing that.
I can't do it for empty cases.
How much?
I'm out on the way back. I know we got to go in there. They got an ATM in there.
I got a little bit of cash.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay. We gotta go to ATM. I'm gonna think about an offer. I'm gonna come back around, Tim.
So with a name like Death Pile Picker,
Yes, ma'am.
you got a death pile?
Massive,
Massive.
death pile.
Massive death pile. What are we talking? Like hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands?
What are we talking? Dollars or pounds?
Both.
Hundreds of thousands of both.
Hundreds of thousands?
No. The poundage is not that big. A couple thousand.
What do you call this? What do you call that?
I'm trying to think what you would call it because you're about to make fun of me. A cantaloupe? It's cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe, guys. We call it a rock melon.
Oh, rough melon? Rock melon.
Rock melon.
That makes no sense. And 50 cents each. I bet you Matt could come here and just...
Yeah, Matt, you're missing out. We've come to your golden slot. Well, you're not here. Looks like burnt CDs.
No, adult room. Lingerie, adult toys, novelty clothing. Go in there.
Go in there.
Go in there, dude.
Right, I see you guys.
Look, it says does not hurt to look.
Does not hurt to look.
I'm wondering what does hurt then.
No, I'm going to. I might turn the camera off, sure.
No, who cares? Do it. Do it.
Oh gosh, he got us on camera. Oh God, he got us on camera too, Lord.
I know.
Cut that part out, okay?
Oh, wait.
Look, you really want to see something? Go through the door.
We can go through the door. I've come from Australia just to see this.
Go
The
through
adult
the
room.
door. Go through the door. I guarantee you're gonna love it.
This is not making the vlog.
It's
not making the
going
vlog,
on a
guys.
vlog.
Sorry.
It's got magnets in the middle so that it will keep it closed because I got air in there.
Dude, the vlog. It's going on the YouTube.
It's interesting.
They got bongs and look at that. Crikey, it's a rabbit.
Lucky it's a rabbit. Got mine.
That's different. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Look at that. That's a beach style. You live by the beach, yeah? Oh no, you're in the bush. You're in the bush.
Don't really.
Yeah.
Did y'all like
There you go.
that?
Yeah, oh, yeah, that was great.
Y'all go back.
Thank you. There you go. There's a boost.
What's that?
Into the adults only room at Deep Coffee House.
That was my first time in an adult room at the flea market.
Popped your cherry.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
G'day,
How
how
y'all
are you?
doing? I like the camera.
Oh, thank you.
We sell you some margarita glass. These are $1. Okay. Shuffle them all around, look and see what you can find.
Corduroy,
Corduroy.
mallard, duck.
That looks pretty vintage.
It's got the flimsy bill, but it's broke in the middle, you can feel.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. Anytime you see an offset fold,
Yeah.
it's 'cause the cardboard right there gets worn down, dry rotted. It'll. What are you recording me for? Dig. Find some stuff for you.
For pocketbooks, $2.
Hey, there's some
I reckon this bum bag, fanny bag, would look good on Kevin.
fanny pack.
Fanny pack.
Fanny pack.
Okay. It's not a
Fanny pack, bum bag. Was it a bum bag? Oh
We
yeah,
call it a bum bag.
yeah, because y'all copy British all the way. They still rule your language.
do that. Look at these.
Did you have this when you were a kid? You
Yes,
watching? Yeah?
yes.
Okay.
An American town.
Because I had this when I was a kid.
You
I'm
say
doing the
both
polite
old.
thing and trying to figure out your
I'm
age.
47.
Are you really? No
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah.
Don't tell anybody. Because you got everybody snowed in America. Huh.
It's all out there on my channel. I'm the old woman of the reselling community.
Well, that's a lie. You got plenty of old women. I'm not going to name names.
47.
Mel, put a date. 47 older is an old woman. And now, watch the people unsubscribe. No, I'm just kidding. You know why? Because if people are still subscribing to me, you're going to be just fine. Man, this person got me all hopeful with a Ren and Stimpy.
But it's structure. It's,
Yeah. Name brand. I want Pete.
these are almost like having like a one of those boots, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Howdy, ma'am.
G'day, how are you?
She got the shop closed down. You're remodeling?
Huh?
You're remodeling?
Yeah, I should have it opened up by by next week. I have like the antiques and vintage items both in.
Well, let me ask you. What is the, well, what would you ask on all the Alfs?
On all three.
Mm-hmm.
They're 15 a piece. They go up to 20 or 25 each online.
Yeah.
So, what's your offer? I mean,
I have no
I
idea.
don't know if you're in the same neighborhood as my lowest point or not.
No, I would probably be at 15. I sold a few and they were right around that price, but I don't think I can get 20 or 25. What about what is the He-Man thing is that just a poster that's glued down?
It's a picture, a collage picture.
Can I see
of
it?
an old book.
Oh, so you didn't glue it down, okay. I thought it was.
No, these are, yeah, they're glued down together. I just put it in there. I'm looking for some frames to redo them in. But I like, back in the day when I'd find books that are damaged,
Mm-hmm.
you know, especially the exterior. Sometimes if it just has like a name written in it or something, it's not that big a deal. But if it's really badly damaged, so I would take the pictures and put them in little.
So you made this? Did you really?
And somebody tells me there's something about the cover of a specific one of their magazines or comics or something that it looks like some of the pictures were, you know, reused.
What would you ask on that?
They're 10.
10 bucks?
You want one on the end?
She caught me in a poor moment. Mel gonna save the day. I just like the hand done element of this one. It's kind of a one-of-one thing, and
I
you
did
your
a lot
magic.
of them. I did.
Very cool. Awesome. Well, I appreciate the deal.
Hey, thank you. Thank you.
You as well. So you're out here recording content.
No, I'm not picking.
Yeah, you're not picking.
No, I don't need to pick. If I see something,
You're basically just funding my picking at the moment.
easy to experience it.
Poor Mike.
Poor Mike comes to the side with no
I
money.
I don't do big ones,
No,
but
I don't like the big one.
if y'all ever see the light blue and the gray, they call it a certain color scheme.
Okay.
They're the ones to get.
But in the smaller version.
No, in the cleaner version or the less pricey version, there's a lot of different options.
Oh my god. You got a real tarantula in here.
Yeah.
And you think I've got
Can-
bad animals
can
in
she hold
Australia?
them?
No, I'm not holding it. Oh no.
Has a little bit of a temper. I
probably
probably
no.
wouldn't hold her, but
Oh,
What? Oh my goodness.
you don't have one that
guys.
doesn't have a temper
You think Australia is
yeah, I do at home.
at home,
I
okay?
got two at home that.
Let's take a picture.
One of them I hold. One of them all the time. But
Do you bring those here to sell?
yep.
What does a tarantula sell for here?
I was just asking $20 a piece.
20 bucks for a pet tarantula.
Yeah.
Wow.
I just want to get to a good home.
What do you feed it?
Crickets.
Crickets. Hold on. Is that common to sell tarantulas at the
No.
flea market?
No,
Okay.
no, this is my first experience
This is
with
the first time?
tarantula buying.
First time you've ever seen this as a flea market.
If you could hold it,
It's a title.
I mean, you can hold them, but
I've never seen this at the flea market.
oh,
It's
then
the title for my video.
eh.
Wow.
Do you mind if I open the top so I can just get a shot of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to take the piece of wood out?
Oh no, I got it. I don't need to worry about it. Just as long
You
as it
put your
don't-
fingers in there?
Yes, ma'am. He just put his fingers in there.
What?
Look now, get a little picture of him, Mel. He's right there. Can you see him in the light?
Oh. Let me get a phone photo.
Very
I'm
cool.
selling it.
Thank you. First experience. I wish you could have held him. Ah,
Oh, he can play.
I've heard that about him.
Oh, you can see it on my videos.
What are you asking on a little? What are you asking on a little X-File figures?
15 for all of them.
Never seen that a bank? Look at that. CVS. How long ago?
Early
Nesco.
2000s, I think.
It was something after a .com. Yeah, I don't see a year. If I can tempt you to sell it under MSRP, I'll buy it.
MSRP.
$7.99. I'm thinking $5. I'll buy it back. $5. See, she's my secretary. She holds all my money.
Buddy said.
You're right though. No, it can't be October. There's got to be something up there. There's got to be something.
That's awesome. Thank you. Oh man, I think we're good, girl. Anything else you want to see? Okay. Look at it. Hold on. Did you sell those? Huh? What'd you sell them for? 10? You got more than you would have got out of me. That's why I left you the opportunity. Because I would have pitched out 5 and you probably would have taken it. I'd have worn you down, Tim. Or you might have got 7 out of me. You might. Okay, so I lied. You're honest, Tim. I'm lying, Mike. That's it. We'll see you next time, brother.